going on YouTube? Just going to do a quick review on a paintless dent repair tool that I got off of Amazon. This one specifically is a POWPDR. So this one has been advertised in a few different places, not this one specifically, but this one just happens to be a Chinese knockoff. But you know, I just figured I'd just get the cheap one and take a look and see how well this product works. So let's see what comes in the box. So inside the box comes a glue gun, and I've already done some testing with it. It comes with 10.5-inch long glue sticks. So the glue gun does warm up very quickly. It comes with these black glue sticks, 6 of them, and then 6 of these kind of brown amber tinted ones, 6 of those. And if you just leave some feedback for them, they'll send you 6 more, so 3 of each. The black ones are not as sticky as these kind of browny amber colored ones. These ones are for your more stubborn dents. These ones are just kind of for your standard dents. Inside here, there's the card for their support. That's the company right there, and that's the contact to get the 6 glue sticks. You also have a user's manual, and it's got nice color photos and everything like that. Very easy to understand. This is kind of a generic user manual because it covers all of their kits. So this kit is specifically the 41-piece kit. They have ones that have scrapers and all this other sort of stuff, and this one is kind of a generic manual for all of them. You get a bag full of the plastic tools. So whatever shape dent you have, pick the one that fits your dent the best, and you glue those pieces on. Comes with a spray bottle, which they do not give you the rubbing alcohol, but it's a spray bottle. Put the rubbing alcohol in there, and that's what releases the glue off of the paint on your car. And this is just the rest of the packaging that the box came in. This is the dent popper tool itself. Oh yeah, it also comes with a little microfiber towel. This is the dent popper itself. It is made of metal, has an adjustable screw on the top to adjust the height of this piece, which is what hooks on to the plastic piece to pull the dents, and then rubber feet on the bottom here to protect the paint of your car. So this is all metal construction. It feels like it's just kind of like the cheap pop metal sort of stuff, but I mean, it doesn't need to be solid steel or anything like that for what this dent popper is. So let's get into some testing. So while I have the glue gun warming up, I've identified one of the points of damage for hail. So you can see it is right there. I just used the piece of tape as a point of reference so we can keep an eye on it. This hood does have a lot of damage. This car did sustain a significant amount of damage here through a recent hailstorm. But we're gonna check or test this dent popper to see what kind of repairs we can do in the way of paintless dent repair. So utilizing the microfiber cloth that came with the kit here, the kit also came with this spray bottle, and I put some isopropyl alcohol in there, and the instructions say we are just supposed to clean off the area. So there's a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and we've cleaned off the spot. I've also selected one of the many different sized tools here, and looking at the dent, I think this one will fit nicely right there when we put the glue on to try and pull that out. So looking at that dent right there, it's just a little bit smaller than what that is, but for reference, we'll see if we can get that out. Okay, I've set up the camera on a tripod as that way we can keep this same shot here. You can see the dent is right here. I've set it up to where you can kind of see that reflection. So I've got the hot glue gun. We are going to apply this glue all over the end of it here. Make sure it's all spread out. And then we will place it directly where the damage is. So they said to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes so this completely cools and it sticks. So we'll let it sit for right now and we'll pick it up once it cools. Okay, so we're back now. This is cooled and it's on there fairly firm. And we will take the dent popping tool. We will slide it on right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to gently pull this, and what we're going to try to do is we're going to try and ease that dent up. So we're going to gently pull, and you can see it's starting to pull the surface of the hood right there. And we're going to pull nice and easy. Nice and easy. And so basically the glue pulled off of here. We'll get this out of the way. So this is going to be stuck on the car really tightly. So the way to get this off is that rubbing alcohol. Like, I can't peel this off at all, it's stuck. But if we take the rubbing alcohol and just spray a couple of squirts on there, this actually pulls right up. Easy as that. So there's all the pieces out of the way. Here's that little glue piece. We'll take our microfiber cloth and we'll clean off the surface. And already right now, the dent was right around this area. You can no longer see that ripple mark that was in there. So see if I can get the camera set up to where you guys can try and see it a little bit better. And again, that's the same spot that I was in before. There's my mount. And trying to get there, you can kind of see where it was, right there. But that's a pretty significant improvement. And then you can always do this again as well. You can do it multiple times. We'll see if we can do this one more time and see what results we get. Okay, so here we are again. This is the second application. I've already just put it on. It's been cooling. I went ahead and saved you guys some time. This is what's left over from the first application. Again, we'll just slide this piece in right there. These rubber pads protect your paint so it doesn't scratch. And then nice and easy, we're gonna slowly pull. So then it came off again, just like last time. This is still stuck down pretty tight. So we'll get the rubbing alcohol. Spray it on there to break the glue up a little bit. And as soon as that glue gets under there, or the alcohol gets under there, that glue pulls right up. So again, our dent, I actually can't see it anymore. Our dent was right there. So let me see if I can try and get some angles here for you. There you go. You can kind of see a little bit of the ripple right there. But that's what remains of the dent that was in there. And the dent that was in there was about like that. So the dent that was in there was about what this one was right here. And so as you can see, it did pull the dent out for the most part. Now, is this going to be something that you want to use for an entire hood that has about 100 dents in it? Probably not. But I think this product will actually do well for door dings on your car. So I have already done it to this car, and I didn't film it, but we had a couple of door dings and I just did a couple of quick tests on this. So on the side of the car here, well, let me see if I can find them. So there was one right here. You can kind of still see a little bit of the ripple right there, but that dent was a pretty deep one. There was another one right here. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus on that. There was one right there, and I'm probably gonna hit that one again right there, but You know, these are tiny in comparison to what they were. And then there was another one right there. You go, you see it right there. So it does work to pull the dents out. It's just not gonna be perfect. I mean, don't expect perfection, and I probably wouldn't use this to repair an entire car full of hail damage. We've already gotten an estimate on how much it's going to cost to fix this car. It's going to be about $2,000 to $2,500 to pull out all of the dents, and I think they counted like 140, 150 dents on the car. So if you're trying to fix a couple of door dings, this will definitely work for you. An entire car full of hail, probably not. Anyways, appreciate you guys tuning in to the video. Like, subscribe, and catch you on the next video. Take care, guys.